boy.
Maribor, this is your brother's ceremony. Don't fidget now.
We named this child for a dear friend who died a year ago. But now his memory will live on in his namesake.
We name you Batai in his honor.
And he's starting out in the warmth of friends, thank you. Please help yourselves to something to eat.
Congratulations, Kevin.
Thank you.
Seems like only yesterday we had Maribor's naming ceremony. Go on.
I remember. I was so nervous, I was afraid that I would drop her.
Let's try it.
Now look at the little lady.
Oh, she's no lady. Tromping through the hills with you all day. Digging up those soil samples you insist upon collecting. Now she's her father's daughter.
I always believed that I didn't need children to complete my life. Now I couldn't imagine life without them.
Cayman, what is it? Get the doctor. Hurry.